दोस्तों, लीड एक्टर अगर पिज्जा है तो सपोर्टिंग एक्टर है उस पिज्जा का ओरेगानो, चिली फ्लेक्स, हैलोपिनोज, जिनके बिना खाना फिल्में थोड़ी ब्लैंड हो जाती है अगर वो ना हो। हमारा अगला अवार्ड ऑनर कर रहा है ऐसे ही फ्लेवरफुल सपोर्टिंग एक्टर्स को। The next award is for the best supporting actor female, and to present this award I'd like to call on stage Mr. Madhur Bhandarkar. Can we have the nominees please?
ज्योतिका शैतान, ज्योतिका श्रीकांत, अलाया एफ श्रीकांत, वामिका गब्बी बेबी जॉन, प्रिया मनी आर्टिकल 370, मोना सिंह मुंजा, तन्वी आजमी दो पत्ती।
Hello. Yeah. The award goes to the very talented Jyotika. For the film Shrikant.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much. My first thanks to Tushar and Nidhi. They broke a jinx of me being absent in Hindi cinema for 27 years. So it was my comeback film. Shrikant was the first film I signed. Or what more can I say? It was a pleasure and experience to stand with the powerhouse performer Rajkumar Rao. I think I cannot express what I've learned from him. What a contributor, what an actor, and what a photo memory. I mean, you can give him a 15-page scene and he just has to go through it once and he just delivers. What an experience I've had, Raj. Thank you so much. Thank you to Tushar and Nidhi again for bringing me back. Thank you, News18. Thank you. It always feels great to be awarded. It's like a big achievement for any actor. Thank you, and Madhur sir, big fan of yours, big fan of yours. And Mukesh Chabria sir, thank you so much for all your kindness and for all their help. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Congratulations, ma'am. Thank you so much, Madhur sir.